Hi guys, listen to this clip and see if you can catch the phrase.
And probably very excited that you're there, right? I mean, the audience,
it's nice. They are. Yeah. They're not, they get over the shock of seeing what I look like in person, and then.
Did you hear it? The phrase is, get over the shock. In this clip, Conan says people are surprised when they see him in person, but after a moment, they relax. So here, get over the shock means to stop feeling surprised after the first reaction. More broadly, get over is a very common phrase in English. People use it when they stop feeling something so strongly, like shock, fear, disappointment, or stress. Now let's look at two quick examples.
I was really nervous before the meeting.
Yeah, but you got over it.
When I saw the bill, I was in shock.
I know. It took me a while to get over it.
Now say it out loud. Get over the shock. And now your turn. Write your own sentence in the comments using get over or get over the shock. If you want more short, practical English lessons like this video, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.